Okay, so this video is for geometry, chapter 7, extended response question here. Depending on what block you have, your test is on a various day. So whatever it is, hopefully you're watching this before the test and it helps you out. All right, in the diagram below, AC is parallel to DF is parallel to BH, and segment CB is parallel to segment FE, and they're marked in the picture. Find 4 similar triangles. Explain how you know they are similar. Okay. Well, first of all, there are only 4 triangles in this picture, and I'm going to list them up here. So there is triangle A, B, C. That's this one. There is this smaller triangle, and I'm going to name them correspondingly, like we're going to go in the same order. So D, B, G. There's the very large triangle D, E, F. And then there's this triangle on the right, B, E, H. And I believe those are going to be the 4 triangles that are similar. So let's figure out why. Well, if you look at these parallel lines, you're going to have angle pairs formed based off of alternate interior, same side interior, corresponding, or alternate exterior. So let's take a look at, say, segment AC and DF, right? Angle A and angle D are a pair of corresponding angles. So I'm going to put that up here. Corresponding angles. I think they're going to be used a lot here. So they're going to be a pair of congruent angles. Now, let's keep going with with segment AC and BH. AC and BH. Again, if we use this bottom side as a transversal, angle A and this angle here at B are also congruent. So you see that 1, 2, 3, 4 triangles all have that angle congruent. And then angle D is in this big triangle as well. So you can see that each of the triangles here have one of these congruent angles. And now if we look at the other 2 parallel lines, that would be CB and FE. So we can use this bottom side as a transversal again. So this angle here is going to be congruent to this angle right here. So this angle at B is congruent to this angle at E. Again, corresponding angles. And this angle E is a part of this triangle and the bigger triangle. And this angle here at B is part of this small triangle and this medium-sized triangle. So now you can see that each of those triangles has 2 congruent angles between them. So we can say that these triangles are similar by angle-angle similarity. So triangle ABC is similar to triangle DBG is similar to triangle DEF is similar to triangle BEH. And what I'll do is I will down here, I will list the 2 long angle congruence statements. So from the first triangle, you have angle A, which is congruent to, in the second triangle, I'm going to name it with 3 letters, angle GDB. In the third triangle, the big triangle, it's the same angle, angle FDE, which is the same angle as that one. And then in the fourth triangle, this one over here, it's angle HBE. And there's one of your pairs of angles. And then the other pairs of angles will go in the first triangle here, angle, we'll take a look at this one, angle CBA is congruent to. The exact same angle, but I'll name it differently, angle GBD is congruent to, in the big triangle, FED. And in this triangle on the right here, angle HEB. And there's your second pair of angles. So why are these triangles congruent? These triangles are congruent by angle-angle similarity. So again, don't forget how to show if triangles are similar or not. Okay? And then the second part to this extended response, and I'm trying to keep the picture up there, is now using these similar triangles, can we complete the following extended proportion? So this is going to utilize the picture and the similarity statements. And I believe that we did name them in corresponding order. So if I take a look at the similarity statement, and I might redraw it here as we go through and fill it in. So it gives us AB over AC. So that is in this first triangle. AB is the bottom side and AC is the left side. So I'm pretty sure that in the other three triangles, we have to name them correspondingly, right? So in the second one, we have DE. And DE is the bottom side in the large triangle. So now I need the left side in the large triangle, which is DF. And then we have something over DG. Well, DG is the left side in this small triangle, so we need the bottom side in that small triangle, DB. And then the last one, we need to use the triangle that hasn't been used yet, which is this triangle over here, this triangle BHE. Okay? And we need the bottom side BE over the left side BH. And there's your extended proportion filled in corresponding order. Now I know that they're using two segments from the same triangle in their ratios. I'm against that. I'm about going to the others, from one triangle to the other. But because they gave us this proportion, I'm going to fill it in correspondingly how they have it done. Okay. All right, so hopefully this helped you. Just a quick little extended response question, getting you in the mood of similarity, and hopefully you study hard, and we'll see you on the day of your test. Thanks for watching.